Just because a member of Congress or employee of such member is entitled to have returns disclosed to him or her, that member or employee is still prohibited from then disclosing the returns to another unless further disclosure is explicitly allowed by reason of this section. To willfully do otherwise is to commit a felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison. As for the exception that is relevant to members of Congress and their staff, I read the plain language of Section 6103F and find no comfort whatsoever that any public disclosure of tax returns is clearly permitted. A sentence in Section 6103F does refer to one of the 3 listed committees submitting returns it has received to the Senate or House, or both. This sentence explicitly says nothing about permitting disclosure to the public. It likewise says nothing about public disclosure being permitted when members have a valid legislative purpose, and does not say that the permissive disclosure to the Senate or House overrides the blanket restrictions. Thus, since every disclosure of returns is prohibited unless it is explicitly allowed, the only conclusion I could feel safe adopting is that disclosure can be made by a listed committee to the House or Senate members generally, but that such disclosure can go no further unless permitted by some other section of which there is no relevant part.